baboy, ginagawang saling pusa ng mga kaanib po dito sa Duterte Block at dito po sa majority block, mga ka-GP Natics. Tila kumbaga parang ang sinasabi dito, maraming ang nagsasabi ng mga analyst na kung saan binababoy, tinatarantado ng majority ang minority, mga kababayan, para kung sakaling mag-appoint ng mga kakampi, si PBBM ay agad nila itong mahaharangan at agad po nila ito mapipigilan para, mga kababayan, ang Pangulo natin ay magtagumpay sa kanyang mga layunin. Pakinggan niyo po, mga kababayan, kung paano po pumapalag itong si Senator Tito Soto sa ginagawang pambababoy ng Senado sa kanila.
Kanina lang, inausap kami ng President Pro Tem. Ngayon, biglang titindig itong majority leader na biglang he will be ramming down our throats. 10 members of the majority, all of a sudden. We're expecting more cooperation and more better treatment for the minority because we're trying to our best to treat you as well. Because we can make it harder for you if this is what you want. Kaya we were expecting, something better. Konting pakisamahan naman dito, it's been that way since before.
I move to elect the following as members of the Commission on Appointments. On the part of the majority, Senators Alan Cayetano, De La Rosa,
Grabe, no? Mga kababayan, doon pa lang, sa pauna pa lang. Talagang Duterte Block na yan, talagang majority, no? Pinagkakaisahan yung minority para hindi makapalag.
Ejercito Estrada, Bongo, Marcoleta, Marcos, Tulfo, Villanueva, and Villar. So move, Mr. President.
What is the pleasure of the distinguished minority floor leader?
May you know how many members of the majority that the majority leader is electing into the Commission on Appointments?
The majority leader will please respond.
Sir President, we are electing 10 members of the majority in the Commission on Appointments, Mr. President.
May I know why the computation is the majority members of the so-called majority are getting 10 members into the Commission on Appointments?
Yes, Mr.
Majority
President.
leader may reply.
Mr. President, the computation is based on an 80-20 representation from the majority and the minority. 80% of 12 members would be equal.
Sabi ni Lalog de la Cruz, GP Lodi, apay tabigotem kay nakaparbaw ti mic mo. Peke po yun, peke. Idol ko lang po si Romy Diaz. Gusto ko lang magkabigote, kaya lang sa ating mga Ilocano, tawag sa akin bulis. Wala akong mga tawag dito. Wala akong mga buhok-buhok, mga kababayan. Kaya nainggit ako. Sabi ko, ilagay ko nga to. Kaya nakaibabaw sa mic natin. Sorry naman.
Equal to 9.6 members, which may be rounded out to 10 members. 20% of 12 members would equal to 2.4 members, which is rounded out to 2. If you look at the composition, Mr. President, right now of the Senate, we have 19 members in the majority. Over 24 is 0.79, Mr. President. 5 members of the minority, over 24 is 0.20. And if you multiply, Mr. President, 0.79 times 12 is 9.6, 0.20 times 12 is 2.4 members, Mr. President.
May I know the basis of the percentages being mentioned by the majority leader, Mr. President? Because the last word I know is that the Supreme Court has decided that if there is controversy in the composition of the Commission on Appointments, it is very clear that the Senate must follow the party lines and the party representation. So if this body elects to follow the Supreme Court decision on the articles of impeachment, why can't they follow the decision of the Supreme Court when it comes to the computation of membership in the Commission on Appointments? So therefore, there is no such thing as 9.6, 9.5, 2.5, 2.4. It should be members of the...
Pati dito sa Commission on Appointment, mga kababayan, meron na rin silang amendment. Meron na rin silang meron na sinatawag na amendment forthwith. Ang bilis. Iba yung alam ni ni Senate Minority Leader Tito Soto pagdating sa computation ng member ng Commission on Appointment. Iba din, Mga kababayan, sabi niya, gano'n, saan nang galing? Yung computation mo na yan, hindi naman yan yung alam ko na computation na. Ano, gumagawa kayo ng sarili nyong computation para mapyo yung inyong mga member na kasama sa commission on appointment? Mga kababayan, kapag ganito ang ginagawa nila na blocking, alam nyo na may gustong gawin itong mga to. It could be, or it might be, mga kababayan, maaring, alam naman natin, masyadong sensitive ang commission on appointment. Yung mga tao dyan, mga ka-GP Natics, kasi tingnan nyo yung nangyari dito kay General Torre. Di ba? Ayaw yan ng mga, ng mga senador. Ayaw nila yan. Marami daw pwedeng ilagay. Siguro gusto nila si Nartates. Di ba? Kung mas marami sila ngayon sa commission on appointment, mga ka-GP Natics, ang mangyayari dyan, pwede nilang mapigilan kung sino yung mga appointee ng Pangulo. Di ba? Pwede nilang gawan ng issue, gawan ng butas. So, ibig sabihin, itong mga to, ayaw talaga nila na gumana, ayaw talaga nila na ang Pilipinas po ay sumulong. Gusto nila ay paurong.
NPC, 6. 3 of them should be in the CA. Members of the NP, the Nationalista Party, is 2.5, or 5 of them. So therefore, 2.5, 2.5 should be in the commission on appointments. And then the rest are single members of each party. And therefore, they could talk to the other members so that their 0.5 can be a total of 1%, 1 for each representation. There are easily 11.
Kaya ngayon naiintindihan ko na yung sorry guys pero ngayon ko nauunawaan kung bakit sumali sa majority itong si Kiko at itong si Bam. Dahil wala sila talaga makukuha po na committee chairmanship kapag ganun ang ginawa nila. So ngayon nakikita naman natin binababoy talaga ng mga majority itong minority. Hindi nila pinapakinggan, hindi nila binibigyan ng pagkakataon na ito ay mag-shine.
Oh, no, the PDP has 3 members. PDP Laban has 3 members, Senator Bongo and Senator De La Rosa and Senator Robin Padilla. So their representation in the CA should be 1.5. Right now, I'm already hearing Senator Bongo and Senator De La Rosa as members of the CA. What about the other members? What about their political parties? I think this should not be the case to be followed, Mr. President. That the whim of the majority or the whim of the numbers shall prevail. I don't think so. We should follow the rule then, if that is the case. We have been discussing this with Senator Estrada. Senator Villanueva has tried to talk to me about it. What we're saying is that we could come up with a formula that will also jibe with the Supreme Court decision.
Dapat.
So why all of a sudden coming up with something like this and then coming?
May pagbabago agad mga kababayan. Ano to mga to? Talagang do they think they are above all, mga kababayan? 'Di ba? Ganito yung ginagawa nila na parang kayang-kaya natin paikutin to because we are the majority. Para talagang dapat na talaga na tayo, mag-chacha na tayo, mga kababayan. Hindi pwedeng ganito. Ginagago na lang tayo ng mga taong ito. Sila na lang ang nasusunod.
Coming up with so percentages that an economist could not even understand.
Mr. President, if I may.
Before recognizing the Honorable Zubiri, Chair would like to recognize first the Majority Floor Leader.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. Mr. President, we put on record that we submit to the statements made by our Minority Leader that it should be based from the Supreme Court's decisions, Mr. President. May I quote, Mr. President, in Coseteng versus Mitra, the Supreme Court noted that the House membership was based on 80-20 representation. Almost the same, Mr. President, as what we mentioned earlier after rounding up the proportional representation of the LDP members comprising the majority during that time, Mr. President. Let me quote, Mr. President, the decision. The composition of the House membership in the Commission on Appointments was based on proportional representation of the political parties in the House. There are 160 members of the LDP in the House, and they represent 79% of the House membership. 80% of 12 members in the Commission on Appointments would equal 9.6 members, which may be rounded out to 10 from the LDP. Mr. President, noting, Mr. President, in the recent congresses, membership in the CA has not been based on representation of political parties, but rather on proportional representation. And in this case, Mr. President, we computed, Mr. President, the members of the majority and the minority bloc in the Senate. Also, Mr. President, let me point out, in the same formula, the Supreme Court cited in its decision Gingona versus Gonzales, the practice of rounding off that has not been consistently followed in the 15th and the 19th Congress. Mr. President, in the same Supreme Court decision, the SC explicitly mentioned, it is also a fact accepted by all such parties that each of them is entitled to a fractional membership on the basis of the rule on proportional representation of each of the political parties or coalition, Mr. President. So, Mr. President, if the question is every senator would have a 0.5 fractional membership, the senator does not actually hold that 0.5 fractional membership, Mr. President. Ang may-ari po nito ay yung koalisyon. Ito pong sinasamahan niya na bloke. And that's why, Mr. President, if the question is whether or not a senator from the majority bloc, for instance, would...
Pero dapat yung 0.5 na yan, mga ka-GP Natics, out of respect, no, sa mga kasamahan ninyo, nakuha nyo na yung, at least kahit papano sana, 8 or 9. Ibigay nyo na sa kanila yung 3. Pero... sa inyo kasi, kahit yung 0.5, pinagsama nyo pa para makuha nyo. Tapos ngayon, 2 na lang yung bakante dyan sa commission na 0.5. O baka mamaya, yung 2 na yan, punta nyo pa yan sa mga kakampi nyo.
Give up his or her fractional membership to another party. It cannot be done, Mr. President, as the proportional allocation of seats belongs to, again, to the party, coalition, or bloc, and not the senators themselves. And the Supreme Court is very clear that a senator is not ipso facto entitled to a CA seat. I submit, Mr. President, and lastly, Mr. President, again, may I be allowed to mention this, in the Gingona resolution issued by the Supreme Court, let me quote, respondents, however, accepted the fact that for the purpose of determining the proportional representatives of each political party to the Commission on Appointments, the basis thereof, Mr. President, the basis thereof is the actual number of members of each political party at the time of election of the members of the Commission on Appointments in the Senate. And that's why, Mr. President, even though this representation is moving for this particular motion, Mr. President, this representation would submit to the wisdom, a collective wisdom of the members of this institution. I submit, Mr. President.
Senator Zubiri is recognized for his interjection.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, with due respect to the majority leader, usually, if it's not political party that makes a decision for us on who will be heading this commission appointments, we usually look for partners. We've been doing that since 2007, Mr. President. I remember 2016, my partner was Senator Richard Gordon, and he allowed me to take my seat in the CA, actually for almost 2 terms, or two congresses, which is the 6th, 17th, and 18th congresses. And may kahati po ako, kaya 0.5 kami. He could have taken the first 1.5 years, and I could have taken the second 1.5 years, but what he did is he gave it to me, hindi na siya umupo sa kanyang position or karapatan bilang CA member. Kaya dito lumalabas, mga kababayan, no, sa ating Senate President, may kapartner po tayo. So, that's why we computed it at 9.5 and 2.5. That's also the right of the minority to have the 0.5 seat. Kaya nga sabi ko nga, Mr. President, maybe if we cannot get ourselves from that deadlock that there's a 0.5 seat, but we must at least recognize that the minority has the 0.5 seat. I mean, schematics lang yan 0.4 yung sa majority, 0.6. Pero sa totoo yan, 0.5 yan, kalahati-kalahati yan, Mr. President. Because we share our seat with another member. That's how it is. That's the tradition. I know Senator Jinggoy is familiar with that. The Senate President is familiar with that. We just look for partners. In the time when I was Senate President, Your Honor, the Senate President, I gave my share actually to the Senate President, to Senator Jesus.
So, sa madaling salita, mga kababayan, gustong-gusto lang talaga nila makuha yung karamihan. 'Di ba? Pati yung 0.5 inaari pa namang hayop na 'to. 'Di ba? Kaliit-liit na portion, mga kababayan, kalahati 0.5, inaari pa. Gusto pa nilang kamkamin. Ano ba lahat gusto nyong kamkamin? Ha? Kunin nyo na lahat, ilagay nyo na lahat sa posisyon ninyo, mga hinayupak, mga... Yari ka! Parang gusto ko na magmura.
So that he'll have a full membership of the CA. Kasi kalahati ko siya. Wala akong kahati dahil ako yung presiding officer ng CA. So yung punto ko po dyan, Mr. President, kawawa naman yung 0.5 seat ng minority. 0.5 na lang nga, tatanggalin nyo pa at ibibigay nyo pa sa iba. Papayag kami na may kahati po kami sa minority, sa majority. Yung minority sana, pabigyan na makaupo din. Whether it's the first half or the second half of the 20th Congress. But that would have been a more ideal situation, Mr. President.
Tama ganoon, mga kababayan. Or, madami naman na kayo, bakit hindi nyo na lang ibigay, di ba? Hindi nyo na lang ibigay, may 0.5 kayo doon. May 0.5 sa minority. Kung pwede nga di ba? Dahil halos karamihan ng posisyon, pwedeng sa inyo na yung 9. Yung 3, i-full pledge nyo na. doon sa minority. 'Di ba? Huwag niyo nang hatiin yung 0.5 na yan. Yung 0.5 ng kanila gusto niyo pang kunin. Pwede naman. O sige, out of respect sa inyo minority, ganito na lang. Total, marami na kami masyado eh. O sa inyo na yung dalawa plus yung 0.5 nyo, yung 0.5 namin ibigay na rin namin sa inyo. Or kung gusto nyo naman, para talagang sumusunod tayo doon sa ating tradisyon, hatiin natin. Sige. 20th Congress. Siyempre, pag 20th Congress, mga kababayan, kada 3 taon yan. Tama? Kada 3 taon yan. Sa 2028 ulit yung isa. Hatiin nyo. 1.5 taon. Wala naman siguro magiging problema doon. Kaya lang, swapang lang talaga yung mga hindot ng mga taga-majority na yan.
Na, kung gusto nyo, ako, pumapayag na ako, mag-toss coin na lang. Para sa ganun, sinong uupo sa majority, sinong uupo sa minority, sa first half and second half. But really, hindi natin matanggal na meron talaga kahati kami doon sa posisyon na yan. Dati, nung panahon ni Senator, when I was Senate President, walang problema yung minority dahil dalawa lang po sila, Mr. President. So obviously, it was either Senator Cuco or Senator Risa. Pero ito 5 po kami. So kung 5 po kami, that entitles us to about 2.5 seats in the CA. So yan lang pong apela natin, by tradition, we don't have any problem like this. Because naghanip po tayo na kahati. Kung wala po tayong kahati, di toss coin na lang po yung kalahati. Sinong upo muna at sinong upo huli. Pero you cannot rob us from that 0.5 right of us to be able to...
Pero mo kung gaano kaganid, no? Nirarab sila. 0.5 na nga lang, ayaw pang ibigay, mga ka-GP Natics. Pagkadami-dami nyo, natatakot ba kayo sa 3? Or sabihin natin sa 2.5? Naibigay nyo man lang yung kalahati, mga kababayan, ng pag-upo ng 20th Congress sa isang minority. Takot ba kayo? 10 na kayo or 9 kayo. Ayaw nyong ibigay yung kalahati. Diyos mio, anong kinakatakot ninyo?
to sit in the Commission on Appointments.
Mr. President.
That's fine.
Noted.
With the permission of the Minority Leader, I
Yes, exactly. Ano to? Jill Ann. Ano? Sorry, di ko ano eh. Jillian ba to? Gilanev. Pinabaliktad kasi. Hindi ko alam kung paano basahin. Gilanev. Makapangyarihan kasi ang Commission on Appointment. Diyan nila kayang sirain at kaya rin ng pigilan ang mga appointee ng Pangulo, mga kababayan.
I'm sorry I took his time.
The remarks of the gentleman is noted.
Mr. President.
The minority leader is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President. We were expecting at least some kind of cooperation or acknowledgement of the members of the minority before the majority leader all of a sudden stands up. The members of the majority have been talking to us eh. Nakikipag-usap, kanina lang, kinausap kami ng President Pro Tem. Ngayon, biglang titindig itong majority leader na biglang he will be ramming down our throats. 10 members of the majority, all of a sudden. We're expecting more cooperation and more better treatment for the minority because we're trying to our best to treat you as well. Because we can make it harder for you if this is what you want. Kaya we were expecting, something better. Konting pakisamahan naman dito, it's been that way since before. Pero kung ganyan ang gagawin natin, kasi the other members of the majority should know that ano lang to it's a matter of party representation And if we do that, if we follow the party representation, simple 6 NPCs, 3 upo, they decide sino 3. 5 ang Nationalista Party, 2.5. So may bakanting 0.5. Yung PDP laban, 1 and 3. So 1.5. May isa at may bakanting 0.5. So pag pinagsama mo yun, 6 or 5. 6. And merong isang 0.5. And then there are 10 members who are either single members of the party or are independent. And in that case, 10 of them, 5 of them sits in the CA dapat. Yun ang dapat formula. Ganun lang kasimple dapat sana yung formula, Mr. President. Kung hindi naman, andun yung alternative formula which is majority-minority, okay. Pero we were expecting, the simple respect to the members of the minority na kinakausap naman kami. Hindi kami saling pusa dito. We can make this easy for you and we can make it also difficult for you. We leave it up to you, Mr. President. My objection stands. I don't think we should continue with the election until we have discussed this properly, Mr. President.
Mr. President, if I may, Mr. President. Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, God is my witness. And
Langhiya ka. God is my witness. Ayaw ko nang pakinggan, mga kababayan. Hindi ba kayo nabubwisit dito kay Villanueva? Pero kung gusto ninyo, sige, tuloy natin.
We have been talking to the members of the minority. The minority leader even mentioned that we were talking to him, Mr. President, and the members of the minority. Senator Mig Zubiri, Senator Loren Legarda is also aware of this for quite some time. Before the lull, Mr. President, during the order of business, our Senate President Pro Temp again reiterated our request and our intention to actually move for this motion because, Mr. President, under the Constitution, the CEA shall be constituted within 30 days after the Senate and the HOR shall have been organized with the election of the Senate President and the Speaker of the House. The Senate was organized, Mr. President, July 28. Therefore, Mr. President, the Commission on Appointments must be constituted not later than August 27. And that's next week, Mr. President, and we still have to issue notices, etc. Now, Mr. President, on the statements, and I sincerely respect our former Senate President, Mig Zubiri. Mr. President, let me just point out, Mr. President, no one's robbing of anything because we're doing this on the basis of the Supreme Court decisions, Mr. President. Mr. President, and if I may again, Mr. President, it is submitted, if the tradition, Mr. President, the concern here now, Mr. President, is can tradition on informal agreements between senators be cited in determining how many members from the majority and the minority blocks will be represented in the CA. Mr. President, again, this representation submits that we stick to the established mathematical formula and the use of Supreme Court decisions as guidance, Mr. President. Kaya po nagbigay sila ng decision so that we can be guided accordingly in determining the proportional representation in the CA. In the SC resolution, again, Mr. President, on Gingona versus Gonzales, the court said, no practice or tradition established by a mere tolerance can, without judicial acquiescence, ripen into a doctrine of practical construction of the fundamental law.
Nakita nyo, kinakalaban niya mismo si Zubiri. Dati mga kababayan, siya din ang Senate majority ni Zubiri. Pero ngayon talagang kinakalaban niya ng gusto. Halatang halata, isa sa mga gusto na na palitan si Zubiri dati.
In the same decision, Mr. President, in the Gingona resolution, it also states, who decides the question of proportionality, Mr. President? Who decides? The power to choose who among them will sit as members of the Commission on Appointments belong to the Senate, Mr. President. And that's why, Mr. President, even this representation who made that motion will submit to the decision of every member of the Senate. And furthermore, Mr. President, in the Coseteng versus...
belong to the Senate. Ayun ang magiging kasing problema. Belong to the Senate. Pag sinabi nyo, na belong to the Senate, magkakaroon ng botohan, diba, mga kababayan, lugi talaga yung minority. Kasi magbobotohan kayo na ibibigay yung 0.5 na yon o yung magiging buo na isa na yon, diba, 0.5 na magiging isa, sa inyo mapupunta yon. Siyempre, boboto. Diba? Pag sinabing divide the table. Pag sinabing divide the table, boboto kayo ngayon. Yung isa na yon, mabubuo yon, mapupunta sa inyo. Kumbaga sa atin, mga kababayan, magkaroon na lang tayo ng respeto kahit papano. Sabi nga nila 0.5 naman yan, 'di ba? 2.5 tapos doon sa kanila 9.5. So dapat ibigay natin yung karapatan para sa minority. Kahit 0.5 yan, gusto rin nilang maupo diyan sa Commission on Appointment. 'Di ba? Magkaroon din sila ng share. Okay naman sila toss coin O sino mauuna, sinong susunod doon sa kalahati ng 20th Congress. Ang gusto ninyo suluhin
versus Mitra, the Supreme Court again pointed out the other political parties or groups, and I quote, other political parties or groups in the House such as petitioners, kaiba, which is presumably the member also with the coalition majority. Ang sabi po ng Supreme Court are bound by the majority's choices. Mr. President, last but not the least, as much as we wanted to entertain the idea of coin tossing, Mr. President. My sister won in the mayoralty election in Bukawi by coin toss, Mr. President. But we have no precedence on this matter, Mr. President. And again, let me submit for the record that the Supreme Court provided us guidelines with all due respect to our colleagues, especially in the minority. Thank you, Mr.
The
President.
minority leaders.
Yes,
Nice.
thank you, Mr. President. The Gingona versus Gonzales issue should be the prevailing, not the Mitra or Coseteng versus Mitra, as mentioned earlier by the majority leader. The interpretation of Constitution Article 6, Section 1, Section 18 is very clear. Basis of proportional representation from political parties and party organizations. Alino nun wala sinasabi itong majority and minority.
Mr. President, if I may, I believe the party organization is the minority and the majority. And I submit again, Mr. President, hindi po ako magmamagaling-galingan or magsasabing eksperto dito, but nais ko, Mr. President, na isubmit itong aking posisyon sa body, Mr. President, at maging sa mga kasama natin dito sa bulwagang ito, Mr. President.
Sarap daw suntukin ang uso ni Villanueva. Ayan, Villanueva, marami nang umaaray sa mga pinaggagawa ninyo na sisiil dyan sa member ng mga minority. Maawa naman kayo. Kukunti lang yan. Gusto lahat ninyo, lahat ng posisyon ay kunin nyo. Again, mga kababayan, ano ba ang bakit ba nag-aagawan sila? Unang-una, sa chairmanship, mga kababayan, alam po natin may budget. Siyempre, doon sa pag-upo sa commission on appointment, may budget din. Mga kababayan, ayaw nila na mahatian po sila ng pera pagdating sa mga yan. Yung budget ayaw nilang mahati. Diba? Gusto nila, lahat sila ang humawak. O, yan ang katotohanan dyan. At pangalawa, alam naman natin yung commission on appointment, sabi ko, very critical pagdating po sa appointment na maaring mapigilan ang kagustuhan ng mga pangulo. Okay lang sana kung ito, mga kababayan, ay yung pagpili nila ay according po talaga sa nakikita nilang mali or tama. Pero kung tama, tapos bibigyan nila ng butas, hindi naman po yun maganda. Okay? So ngayon mga kababayan, magandang hapon po muli sa inyong lahat. Sana po ang lahat ay nananghalian na. Kung yung mga hindi pa, mananghalian na po kayo. Magkita-kita po tayo muli sa mga susunod nating live streaming at mga videos. Maraming salamat